Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you, or at least take you on a journey with me while I create some die cut stickers with my Cricut. Please make sure you watch to the end. So let's see. First, you're going to go ahead and purchase the PNG or SVG files, whatever one you prefer to work with, from my Etsy shop. Then you're going to upload it into Cricut. As you've seen, you can save it to your photo album for easy updating, or to your files. It doesn't matter. I pulled these from my photo album after I arranged them in Photoshop, the iPad version. So I'm going to arrange them so that I can fit as many as I can onto my cutting mat. So I believe they come out to be about 2 inches, 2.5, no, yeah, just about 2 inches. I probably could have got one more row on there, but I'm not going to make a big deal about it. So as you see me, I'm just going to resize it, and I'm sending it over to my Cricut Maker right now so that it can cut. I will be cutting these on vinyl setting. I think that's vinyl. I normally do vinyl with a lot more pressure, but I'm not sure. Oh, do you see what just happened? It cut off. Cricut just crashed. Okay, one moment. Let's go back. All right, so it did save it. Okay, that was weird. Cricut did just crash, so I'm just going to size it again, and hopefully it doesn't happen. Now, let's see. Fingers crossed. All right, let's send it to my printer. Let's see what happens. Oh, it crashed again. Okay, so this is not good. Cricut has been known to have some issues. I went on and swiped up to reset it. Thank God it saved my project, because I haven't even saved it. So if you're working in Cricut, please make sure you're saving your projects so that you don't have to keep uploading it. As you see, I have to upload it again to my import files. All right, so let's see what's going on. I'm going to do all those steps all over again, and fingers crossed that it doesn't force close on me. This is very frustrating because I've been in my studio for a very long time working on this tutorial for y'all ladies to show you how you can cut, which it should be fairly easy, but if Cricut is going to act up, it can give you a headache. We just want our machines to work when we need them to work. So I have everything resized again. I started fresh. I'm going to hit send to printer, and fingers crossed this works. Okay, let's see what, oh, nope, it did not work. Oh my God, it crashed again. So we're just going to go to plan B. Now, this footage right here is from earlier. I just wanted to show y'all that sometimes crafting can be a fail. Now, don't get discouraged, because there's nothing wrong with the image or the designs that you're creating. This is the Cricut software that is having a problem. There could be an update coming out. There could be some firmware updates that I need to look into. So I'm going to show y'all, this is real life. This is what it's like when you are creating and things just don't go as you plan. So as you see, before that last clip, I was able to print and get everything all set up. With this particular cut, I was trying to cut the image and the backing, which I've done thousands of times. So I know how to do it. But for some reason, Cricut would not cut it. It would only cut the backing, but not the image of our queen. So I can only imagine that once I noticed that this problem was happening, I probably should have just shut Cricut down and not used it. But I just kept trying because I had great faith that it was going to work for me. But this is life. This is what I was doing, y'all. I was really determined to get this video ready and out for y'all. So I just kept trying. So as you see, it only cut the backing. Yep. And this is all wasted paper. So we're going to leave Cricut alone. And now I'm over here in Silhouette Design Studio. I brought bringing in my images here. So you're watching, this is me bringing it in. I traced it, going to get rid of all the extra stuff because all I need here is just an offset. And I'm going to go ahead and resize it. I'm going to use 2 other files that are included with your purchase. I'm just going to trace it, create an offset, resize it, print it, and cut it. Should be fairly painless, but keep watching. There is more pain. This is real life, y'all. I just wanted to show you that it's not all easy. And I know a lot of videos that we watch here on YouTube, people make it look super duper easy, but sometimes we do have hiccups and we do have bumps in the road. And I just want to show you, so don't give up. Just keep trying, especially if you know where the problems are coming in and it's something that's out of your, control. If it's the software, sometimes you just need to cancel it and restart it. But so I wanted to show you, this was from the first cut. So I went on and cut it. Got to stay on track, y'all. And it did not cut correctly. As you see, it didn't cut straight. I'm not sure why Silhouette does this sometimes. Silhouette doesn't like to read the registration marks, and it cut off center. We're going to fix this later in the video, but I wanted to show you that it didn't work. Now, this was the fix. I went on and created another offset here, added a black bleed. I guess we could call it a black bleed, or made the offset black, and I turned the cut lines off. So if you're a Cricut person and you've never used Silhouette, this probably sounds like Spanish. But if you've used both programs, then you know you can create an offset. You can turn your cut lines on and off. So I made my bleed a lot larger than the first time, so that even if it does cut off center, it will not you will not have any white space. You will only see the black going around. And this is important to do, especially from the beginning, so you don't waste a lot of time like I did. So yeah, that's what I'm showing you here. And the red line is your cut lines. And if you add another cut line and turn it black, you can make it even bigger. So if your machine is known not to cut correct, then you can make it as thick as you need it. So let's go ahead and get this sent over to the cutter. All right, so this is what it looks like before I send it to the machine. And now we are ready to cut. And you can see that that's a pretty large offset that I placed around my image, because I do not want to have to print and cut anymore today with all the errors that we dealt with in the beginning of the video. So we're going to go ahead and unload the mat. I did cut the middle part out because it's just cutting. And I am so happy. Look at it. It cut perfectly. In any places that it was a little off center, I don't have to worry about it because my offset was large enough that you're not going to be able to tell. Perfect cut. So what I'm going to do here is trim off some of the white paper, the white offset where it didn't cut correctly, because I do not want to throw these out, is what I'm trying to say. So I just grab my scissors and we're going to fussy cut around. I'm not going to do all of them, but just the ones that have just a little bit offset issues, and I'm going to keep them because you don't want to waste. So here we are. Everything that I wanted to cut is finally cut and perfect. I'm so happy. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a long one. You've seen mistakes and you see how I fixed them. So never give up. Keep trying. If you have any questions, you can always leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And this is Natasha Devine from Divine Creations, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.